Hey, so on my truck, the anti-theft activated and I couldn't even start or move the truck. Spent a lot of time, read a lot of things online where people said, hey, you gotta pay. Take it to the dealer, swap out the control module, the wireless control module, the scrim or whatever it's called, and all the other stuff. Well, I'm here to show you guys. Here's how I got my truck to start. After disconnecting the batteries overnight, nothing worked. Put the batteries back in. Right here, fuse number 11. Right? Fuse number 11, which is the IOD CCN. That controls the power that goes to the unit. Pull that out for 5 minutes. Put it back in, reconnect your batteries, shut the hood, take your key. On mine, my key's broken. Instantly unlock the truck, open it. Within 15 seconds, put the seatbelt in, jump in the truck, shut the door, fire up. There we go. And that'll work. If your security light is flashing and your truck refuses to start because anti-theft has been activated and the truck thinks it's stolen, I read that you could leave it in the on position. Do not crank it, leave it in the on position. And let the key sit there within an inch of the sensor for an hour. Definitely don't close your doors because you don't want to get stuck in here or you don't want it locked in. And you should run a battery charging cable to your truck. So what that does is, if you constantly pull the IOD fuse in the hood and put it back in and the truck still won't start and the light is flashing, leave the fuse in, connect a battery charger to one of your batteries, leave the truck on, which is this is on, let the key sit there for an hour, just like that, and walk away. And then when you come back, shut everything off, get out of the truck, close the door, remove the seatbelt, disconnect the battery thing, and then do it again. Slam the hood, lock and unlock, hop in the truck, instantly plug your seatbelt on. This 2006 Ram3500 diesel that I just bought, this seatbelt wire is part of the anti-theft system. I spent 4 days removing the aftermarket factory where the FOBS failed. So I cleaned up all the wires, I left the connectors. 4 days trying to disarm this fucking truck with one key. I thought the key was shut, and I also read online all kinds of things. You need a new wireless unit reprogrammed. You need a new scrim unit. You need dual keys. So they're right. This truck needs 2 keys. So I'm going to spend the $120, $150 with a locksmith who has a scan tool, and I'm going to buy a second key. You know, without 2 keys, I'm going to get stuck in this situation again. But now I know if the truck is ever stuck in anti-theft again, pull the fuse, wait 2 minutes, put the fuse back in under the hood, shut the truck, instantly lock the truck with the remote, unlock the truck with the remote. Within 15 seconds of unlocking the truck, open the door, plug the seatbelt in. The seatbelt is a magical thing. Get your ass in the truck, shut the door, fire the fucker up, and you're good. Now you can unplug it, shut it off. I can open my door. This weird sequence. Undo the seatbelt, shut it, and now I'm good. My alarm is set. See? And I'm good. I have the horn disactivated. it. I hope this video helps you guys.